Great. Well, let's have a look how to get any crypto wallet address in the Binance phone app. So once you have installed the Binance, it will look like this. We are in South Africa, so your app might look different, but you will have 5 tabs, and this is the Binance Pro version. So to get to Binance Pro, you will just click on those 3 dots at the bottom, at the top, and you will see at the bottom it will say Binance Lite. Normally when it's set to default on Binance Lite, if I press on Binance Lite it will change to Binance Lite now, but you want to be on the Pro version, so switch back to Pro. It's a personal choice. I just prefer the Pro version. It's just much easier or more user friendly for me. So you're gonna go back. You will see at the bottom there's 5 tabs: Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Assets. Come on. Assets. You want to press on the Assets tab here at the bottom right. Right, so now you're going to press on. You want to get your own crypto wallet addresses. If someone wants to send you funds, or if you want to add it in any other platform or wherever it is necessary, you're going to press on add funds. Now you're getting a choice of 4 different things: deposit, asset, so that's the one that you want to choose. This wording might change. They might say deposit crypto or something else. I've seen they've changed the wording, so this is not always going to be the same. Receive via Binance Pay. This is another feature. Or deposit your fiat currency or peer-to-peer trading. But you're going to choose deposit asset. Excuse me. And now you're getting all of these options. And now you can just search for whatever coin you want to get your own address, Binance address, deposit address. So let's say if you're looking for your Litecoin address, it's LTC, or you can put in the Litecoin if you don't know the abbreviation. It will still bring up Litecoin. You press on Litecoin. Now there's different networks, and now you must make sure that you choose the correct network. Very important, otherwise you might lose your funds. Alright, or you won't lose it, you will not just know where to go and look for it. It depends on what the other person or whoever wants to send you, or which address they need. Make sure that you always choose the correct network. Most of the times Litecoin uses their own Litecoin network, the default, and then you will see, this is important to read these things, but make sure you agree with it. And you want to copy your address. You can either highlight it, but to make 100% sure, you're going to use this copy icon here on the right. So you're just going to copy it until it says copied to clipboard, and you know you have copied it. You can also save and share the address. There's different options. You can share the QR code with someone. There's more options that you can use to send it. Right, so it all depends on yourself, but that is how you get your own crypto wallet addresses. If you want to look for a different coin, USDT, normally they are already populated. You can see, you can just press on them there. There's Litecoin, TRX, Tron, USDT. You just press on USDT and then you select which network it is. So there is multiple networks for USDT. Make sure you choose the correct one, and just take note that the most popular one for USDT is either Tron TRC20, and make sure and take note that you you copy the correct one. Or the other one is Binance Smart Chain, which is also called BEP20, and you must look for it carefully. Right, it will all on the Ethereum virtual machine network, the addresses will all be the same. So that means that your Polygon, your Binance is normally the same, but make sure that it's a difference one when you choose the Tron, the TRC20. It's not the same as the BSC20 or BEP20. And the Ethereum is normally the main one. Right, but Ethereum cost is way higher than any other network. Right, so make sure that you choose it there, and then you will just press on the network, and then you will copy it, the same exact method on this copy icon here until it says copied, and then you can go to WhatsApp or Telegram and share it, or you can even take a screenshot of this QR code. It will also work, or you can save and share it like this, then we'll also share the whole thing. That's how you get any address in Binance, your own crypto deposit addresses. So once again, just make sure you search for whichever coin it is. There's your BNB, for instance, and there's also got different networks. Make sure you choose the correct network. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.